come out that end though. The plug's on that end. We want that slosh around now. All right, we just got the boats dropped off at the M66 landing. It was a busy landing. Tons of people there. It's 4th of July weekend. It's blazing hot out. But I got my new bucket hat from the gas station. So we're ready to roll. Tony and I are dropping the cars off right this second. About to do the swap. Tony's going to drive us back to the start point, and we're going to be ready to start our trip. Can't wait. There's going to be a bunch of people on the river, but shouldn't be any problem for us. This is going to be awesome. Go to the left of mine?
We can go just to the right of it. Fine. We're back here on the incredible Manistee River. Really enjoying our time so far. It is just natural, beautiful. Very few cottages dotted throughout. There's a couple though. We just got a gorgeous day here. There were a bunch of people at the boat launch earlier, but we've passed most of the groups that we've seen already. And it is just us and the nature. A lot of sunshine. It's incredibly hot today. But so far so good. We are loving it. Well, we made it back to the mighty Manistee River, where we're hoping to do a little bit of wilderness camping tonight. Always a fun adventure, good times. We are heading through a big portion of state land today, where you are allowed to do some dispersed camping here in Michigan. We're hoping to do just that. We have started our day at the M66 roadside boat launch, and we're gonna end tomorrow at 131 Manistee River Roadside Park, with a little dispersed camping in between. The river has been just immaculate today. It is a beautiful day. It is quite hot for us, but we're doing all right. We'll just jump in the water if it gets overwhelming. Here's a nice dispersed camp up on the top of the hill there. I think we're looking to do something similar tonight. We've been seeing campsites all along the river so far, dotted throughout our state forest here. At this point, we got a couple of hours to go before we start looking for a campsite. This is not dispersed at all. There's clearly probably private land. Quick little lunch break here on the river. Gonna enjoy some wholesome medley, although it's a bit melted. I told you it's not cold out. It's blazing hot. It's a great day for a dip in the river. Let the current take you, cool you off. This was a great little spot for stopping for lunchtime. We just pulled over here on a nice soft sandy beach. Took a little dip, ate our snacks, and now we are getting ready to continue on. Nothing beats lunch on the river.
Yeah.
So we're in good shape.
We've got plenty of time.
We're in good shape, but we got some distance to cover yet today if we want.
It's just
But
after
it's still-
4, right?
It's only at 4 o'clock, isn't it?
Yeah. Finding something within if we find a great one, then we can stop sooner, but finding something within like the 6 to 8 hour, or between 6 and 8 would be pretty ideal.
Yep. I think we're dead on for our plan here.
You guys have a good 4th of July? Nice. Yeah. Yep. Couple miles, I imagine, several miles up we're going to be camping.
Okay. Oh, got a whole pack there.
I got a lot of them. Beautiful. You're all right. Oh, you're fine. They look a bit mighty. Look at this dog. Oh, I know.
You watch any of those TikToks? Glorious day on the river so far. It is unbelievable. One of the best.
No.
We're just commenting on how much we love the Manistee River, everything about it. It's the beauty, the nature. We just went through a section of private property, a lot of cottages dotting the shores, and everyone was so nice, talking about like how we're enjoying the river and how our 4th of Julys were and everything. It's the place to be, I tell you. Manistee River. Can't get enough. A couple hours to go till we pull over and camp somewhere. The night is ours. The night is young. The night is ours. We have plenty of options, and we're just gonna do what our hearts feel. That's all. That's all we can do, really. That's the adventure. The wild adventure. You been enjoying the trip so far, Tony?
Wonderful float so far. Plenty of sunshine, a little bit of cloud coverage. We're staying very lubricated in the sunscreen. Trying our best, but I'm gonna be burned.
Tons of people here at this takeout. That's awesome.
That might be a pretty cool spot right here. Seems like these marks are fresh, but it seems like somebody pulled off here for a break.
I'm gonna wait for Dave to go up there and see. No point in doing it.
Well, it may not be ideal with the size dune here, but we thought we better come over and check out this spot. And sure enough, right at the top, we have one of the most beautiful camping spots I've ever seen. I can't wait to show you guys. Tony, Justin, you're gonna love it up there. Fire pit, great view of the Manistee River. We got a sunset coming in. Man, are we in for a great night. sure we're in bear territory. We're gonna get started here on our dinner. We got a little peppers chopped up, some onions chopped up, some sausage here. We're gonna throw that on the fire, cook some noodles with some Alfredo sauce, make us a nice little camping dish. What was that?
That sounds like a tree falling. It did sound like a tree.
That was weird. We're gonna start cooking dinner maybe after we investigate that noise a little bit.
Sounds like a tree falling.
That was strange.
Stirred and
Well, we've survived the night. I'm tucked away here in my hammock setup. It's been nice and comfy. We did have some rain roll through early this morning. Not even enough really to soak anything or to make the ground super wet. It did drop the temperature quite a bit for us though, made it really nice for sleeping in. But right now it's about time to get up, start making breakfast, and we'll get back on the river. The forest here's pretty awesome, mostly pine trees with a thick layer of these ferns in the undergrowth. Really beautiful spot. Do a little campsite tour here, turn around. Got a couple of tents set up, got my hammock set up there in between some pines. Justin's starting up the fire again this morning here first to cook some breakfast. And there's our amazing river view. What a spot to spend the night. Really did the trick for us. Just enjoying this wonderful scramble. Sausage, eggs, onions, some peppers. Cook that right up on the cast iron. Right along the riverside. What a delicious breakfast. What do you guys think?
Super good.
Super good.
Smashed it.
Man, can't wait for another day. A couple hours more on the Manistee and then we'll be off, going to get the cars and heading home. It's been a great trip so far. We packed up our tent, grabbed all our trash. Everything's packed into the boats. We are ready to head out for day 2. Fire is doused. And it looks like we're gonna have a rainy morning here to finish our trip, which shouldn't be a problem at this point, but it's just not the warmth and sunshine we grew used to yesterday. It's actually kind of a nice change. So we'll get a cool, rainy afternoon to finish off.
We'll see, the rain just stopped.
It's just stopped. Maybe we'll get I don't know. Who knows? final stretch heading into 131 here has been really gorgeous. There's a lot of tall dunes. We've seen the tallest banks we've seen thus far on the whole trip. We've had some really fast moving flows here, pushing us along, letting us kind of relax and just let the water take us on to our final destination. We're probably within the hour of taking the boats out. The afternoon turned out, or the morning I guess, turned out to be great. It was raining when we had left our camp, but stopped raining shortly after that, and we've been dry ever since. So no complaints from any of us. It's been a gorgeous day. All right, pulling up here at the launch to end our journey. We're calling it.
That's it. That's the official end of our trip. We've dropped Tony off at his car. He's behind me now, heading back to the pickup spot or the takeout spot to pick up Justin. And then we'll get all the rest of the gear, get the boats back on, and we're heading home. Overall, awesome trip. We took a big risk kind of doing an uncharted section of river, not knowing where we can pull over to camp, but we thought we nailed it at the end of the day. That was really fun, really awesome place to spend the night, and a successful wilderness adventure out on the Manistee, one of our favorite places in the world.